Assets, liabilities and capital. Let's learn about these. But before learning that, we need to clarify an important concept of accounting. This accounting concept states that the business and the owner are both separate entities. What do I mean by this? This means that in our accounting records, in our bookkeeping records, we'll treat our owner as a separate entity. The bookkeeping records of the business will only record the transactions related to the business and not of the owner. The owner is treated as if it's a separate person and not a part of the business, but related to the business. Let's look at how. So first of all, let's take Jim. He wants to start a business. So what he'll do? Okay, I need to start a business, so I need to provide funds to the business. So he collects some of his money and puts it into the business. For example, $30,000. He also has a property worth $10,000, which also he allocates for the business. Along with that, he has a vehicle worth again $10,000, which he allocates for the business. So all of these funds that he allocates, monetary or non-monetary, that he allocates to the business are known as his capital. Capital represents the amount owed by the business to the owner. This is the amount that the owner has given to the business as funds to start the business. It's an investment by the owner. Going further, what are assets? All these resources as of now that the business has gained from the owner, the property, the money and the vehicle are now all owned by the business. So all of these resources which it now owns are his assets. Assets are the resources of the business. Going further, what are liabilities? Apart from the owner, the business will also take some assets from other people, from other individuals, from other entities. This will be known as their liabilities. So liabilities is the amount owed by the business to others apart from the owner. For example, I purchased $3,000 worth of goods from a supplier. So these goods are now owned by the business. So now they are the assets of the business. By the same time, where did I get my assets from? From a supplier. So I need to pay him back. I owe him. The business owes the supplier. So the supplier becomes a liability for the business. So the $3,000 is the liability. It's the amount owed by the business to others, which in our situation is the supplier. Thank you. This was assets, capital and liabilities. In our next video, we'll learn about the accounting equation.